Hello, my name is Silvia and I'm a mindfulness instructor at Illuminations JLT. Today I would like to share some ideas about happier relationships with mindfulness. And for this I like to use a word which helps us remember an attitude, a mindful attitude to relationships. And this word is love. So L stands for let go, letting go of unhelpful thoughts about the relationship and our partner. O stands for opening up to our emotions, our feelings and the ones of our partner. V stands for values, means connecting to our values, who we want to be in our life and in our relationships, and act accordingly. And finally, E stands for engagement, engaging with our partner's life and interests. This is just some tips. If you're interested to attend some courses and classes of mindfulness, I run some weekly meditations classes on a Wednesday, or some one-to-one sessions or group mindfulness-based stress reduction programs here at the center. You're welcome. Bye.